So first thing in this final video in the series is we're going to install VRCFury to our project. VRCFury will give us the ability to conveniently create toggles for our UV tile discard. So we'll wait for it to import to our project, and then we'll go over to our avatar descriptor. We'll go ahead and collapse the descriptor, add component, go to VRCFury and select the toggle. We're going to first add the toggles and we'll select Poyomi UV tile. Then we'll drag in the mesh renderer that has our toggleable objects on it, and we will configure the row and column for each one of those. But first we need to go to the material and right click to the left of the property that we're going to animate. So we'll scroll down and you can see here in UV tile discard, row 0, right click, set to animated, and row 1, set to animated. And now we're configured and ready to go for our toggles. So we'll finish configuring the path to all of these toggles. So it's going to be in the toggle folder, and we'll repeat this process 4 times. So now we'll finish up by adjusting and setting the correct row and column for each toggle. And then we'll run through one final test to make sure that it's working. So, if that all worked successfully, you'll see that we're still sitting at medium, and we'll go to all the toggles, and we've got 4 toggleable options to choose from on our avatar. I'm hoping this helped, and if you have any further questions, post down in the comments and or join the Discord, and we'll help you out there. See ya!